Hello and welcome to Half Job George. Here I am again to do another review, and this time I bought myself a new toolbox. It comes with a pallet which is broken, so I'm not very happy about that because I did want the pallet. Okay, let's get this thing open and let's see what it's like. Now, I spent a long time researching toolboxes of around this size. This one has got some wheels on it, well, hopefully. And I decided to go with SGS, which is a company that makes the parts washer and also my compressor. I've been very happy with them so far. The parts washer's no problems at all, neither is the compressor, so I'm hoping that the toolbox I'm going to have a similar experience. It also helps that they're quite local to me. I should point out that this is not sponsored content, this is my own opinion. And I do recommend them as a company. They say that they're going to deliver next day, and they do. Do I save the cardboard box for nothing, or do I open it in some sort of grand reveal? I'm going to go with the grand reveal. Huge cardboard box anyway. Not bad, not bad. I did have my concerns about this. Last time I bought a toolbox of this nature, it had a Halfords badge on it. It was 2007, and I think it cost me £125. And the sort with the medium box and the top box. I still have the middle box, but the draw quality is shocking. I'm quite pleased with that. Okay, so they're probably not welded, they're probably rib nuts, but equally captive nuts. Okay, so in this box we have 4 casters, 2 which rotate and are braked. They feel okay, they feel good. They don't look great quality. The plastic on them looks like, well, I think I prefer rubber, but maybe they'll be fine, I don't know. We might have to balance these for high-speed manoeuvres. Okay, so I've put my wheels on. I've torqued up the bolts. Everything went well there. Everything lined up, so that was good. Got the polystyrene brake. Now, the product description says that these drawers can take 25 kilos per drawer. So it's only fair that we make sure it can. Okay, and I've set up a DTI here with the bottom drawer open. Now the bottom drawer should be immune from the weight that I place on here. I've loaded up a toolbox with 24.5 kilos of tools. That's about as much as you'd want to put in one of these. It really is quite heavy. And this thing, apparently you can put 25 kilos in each drawer. So let's see what happens. So each time the needle goes around this clock, that's 1 millimetre of movement. Let's see how it does. So by my reckoning, still got travel on the clock. Yes, we have 4.4 millimetres of movement. That's quite strong. So I bought this toolbox to replace this toolbox and another one that I've got with my Whitworth and Imperial spanners in. And I nearly bought a bigger one, but I'm glad I didn't. It's 26 inches wide, 7 drawers. They do a 5-drawer version as well. And it's covered by a 10-year warranty, which I thought, for the price of £215.99, was well worth it.